I'm having a face issue today and do not want to be on camera. So we're going to open this and eat it, and life will be good again. This is Godiva. Let's open it up. If you don't want to be spoiled, get on out of here. Over here on this side, it says, the holidays are filled with many moments of wonder and joy. Sparkle where anything magical can happen. Prepare to sparkle brighter and savor more of the magical moments that take place each year. Open yourself up to the possibilities of wonder and delight that are in store for you and your loved ones this holiday season. I love Godiva. It is my favorite chocolatier of all time ever. I've never gotten a Godiva calendar. This will be my first. Can I eat 28 pieces? There's not 28. 24 probably. Can I eat 24 pieces of candy tonight? I definitely cannot. So I don't know what we're going to do about this. I should have done this in the daylight so I can give them to my kids. Anyways, this is really cute. I like the penguins. I like the sparkly bows. I like the presents. Well, shall we get started? Day number 1. And this better be some good candy. That's all I'm saying. This is just a regular old boring heart. I want some peanuts and stuff. That's 1. I'm going to eat one, but I can't eat them all. So I'm going to choose the first great one I see is what I'm going to eat. Do not see number 2. I like that the doors are going in different directions. That's fun. And of course, the numbers are all out of place. So I love that even more. White chocolate. I do not like white chocolate whatsoever. So far, this is a dud. I do not see 3. I don't know if it's because the numbers are so small or because they're white and the font is weird, but I was really struggling to find the numbers here. There's 3. Now, this is not the cheapest. What even is this? This is not the cheapest advent calendar. This isn't just a $2 chocolate advent calendar. I expect the chocolates to be fancy. And so far, I'm not seeing them. I have a Zoe's chocolate box, and all that candy for less than this was amazing. I couldn't stop myself from eating it. And so far, I haven't seen one that I'm interested in. So number 4, a seashell or a wave of some kind. This is just big, thick, dark chocolate. Nothing special yet. Come on now, Godiva, don't let me down. Number 5 up here. This one is deformed. Now, I'm not going to blame Godiva because it's still hot in Louisiana. And we've had some absolutely scorching days, but this was probably something cute before it got scorched in the sun, I would suspect. I'm not going to blame them for that one. Ye be all right. Number 6. I'm confused about, this is a lion. I'm confused about what these are on there because this has nothing to do with Christmas. Are these Godiva pictures or what's happening? Is this all going to be solid chocolate and nothing fancy? Urgh. If you like solid chocolate, you are going to love this because we're on day 6 and it's all been solid chocolate. No nuts, nothing special so far. Day number 7 is down here. Something's in there trying to get out. Could these be filled with nuts? I'm going to take a bite of this one. Oh, it definitely could be. I got to try one more bite. Yes. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's misshapen because of the sun or the heat, but wow, Godiva chocolate is delicious. I just prefer nuts or fudge or caramel in my chocolates. So that one, day 8. Got another wave. This one looks like dark chocolate though. They're definitely pretty. When you say definitely pretty, we're looking for day 9. Ooh, that one is caramelly. See the caramel? I've got chocolate all over me. Oh, this is so pretty and caramelly. I've got to clean my hands. I'll be right back. We're looking for day 10. And again, I just want to say that this is not Godiva's fault that anything is melty because it was very hot in Louisiana and this sat outside for at least 2 days. This one looks like dark chocolate and I bet that's ganache in there. I want to eat it. Okay, I'll eat it. Not ganache. I think it was some kind of vanilla cream. That is delightful. That one had the sharpness of dark chocolate, but the smooth and sweetness of milk chocolate with that decadent center. Woo! It's even hot in my room right now, so it's starting to melt on my hand. What is this? An ear? Since when does Godiva make ears? Tell me that's not an ear. Godiva really is not the kind of chocolate that you can eat all in one day. I can't eat anymore. We're on day 12, and this is a coin. I don't want to open it. Who is this lady? And what is this Godiva herself? And why does she like horses? Oh, listen to this. The weirdest thing ever happened. Day 13. Let's find day 13 and I'll tell you. I live in Lafayette, Louisiana, and we were driving down the road from our subdivision in the middle of town, and we saw two people riding horses. There are no farms. There are no places for horses to stay in town. I don't know where these people came from. Just riding horses through town. That one has something in the middle of it. And look, I guess Godiva's riding a horse there. Day 14. These have definitely gotten better as we've gone along, and now I feel bad for making fun of the whole thing. I want to eat this one. That looks like some rich chocolate right there. And it all is really rich. If you've never had Godiva, if you've never gone into a Godiva store, this is going to be a good substitute. Day 15. If you go into Godiva on your birthday month and you sign up for their club, you will get a free piece of candy. And their candy in store, oh, this looks amazing. Their candy in store is unreal. Look at that. So is that. That looks, that's what I would have picked if it had been first. Now we're looking for day 16. You can also have Godiva send you stuff, and they'll send it to you with ice. It will not get melted. So I think this may have also came on ice if I'm not mistaken. But then the ice melted because I didn't bring it in. There she is riding a horse again. Wherever she lives, that's probably normal to have horses, but in Lafayette, Louisiana, over by the country club, mind you, it is not. I don't have a membership to the country club. The best I can do is get Godiva. We're looking for door number... Did I skip one? No. We're looking for door number 17. There it is, right there. That one's kind of sticky, but it's got caramel inside of there. I'm 90% sure this came with a bag of ice packed into the box, because I also got another chocolate that day, and it also had a bag of ice. By bag of ice... I opened 5. No, I already had it open. By bag of ice, I just mean it was packed with an ice pack. You know what I mean. You know what I'm saying. That looks like a normal, average, ordinary chocolate that you get in a chocolate box at Christmas time. But I bet that's coconut in there. I really do wish I could eat all of these right now. But that chocolate, that dark chocolate one was so rich, I cannot. Day 19. Oh, no. We're going back to what we started with. These waxy hearts. Day 20. Come on now. This really is what we started with. It's like, yay, 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 yay. 21. Okay, 21 at least is looking good. But it does look like another one we already opened. Won't know till I bite into it. I hope that one's strawberry. But no big nuts. Just that one with nuts that I saw. 22. Oh, she's all ruined. Oh. Aw, that looks like peanut butter. Sad. If you get one of these, put them in the refrigerator when you get it. Don't leave it out by your carport. Day 23. Almost done. I would say at least half of these look really and truly delicious. I would say overwhelmingly they do. I bet that's got some caramel inside of there. It feels hollow, which means, it's got caramel because it's thinner and not just solid chocolate. Day 24, and I believe this should be our last day right here. It's a big one. Hope it's filled with nuts. It's just a heart. Well, I guess they're trying to say they love us. I don't care for these hearts. I'll get those to my kids. You know how kids are. They'll eat anything. I am going to turn this over now and show you the back so you can see for yourself what you actually get in each one. But I'm going to look away while we do that because I don't want to know I'm going to be eating these. You see everything you need to see? Okay, I'm turning it back over now. Well, what did you think? What did you think? Did you think this was a good box? It's definitely high-end chocolate. This is not the little $2 ones you get for your kids. It definitely costs more than that. It definitely feels more than that. And it definitely has a bigger variety than that. And I don't want you to judge it based on me letting my chocolates melt. So real quick, let's give this a rating scale. We're going to do 5 metrics on 1 to 5 for each of them. So the first thing is, does it taste amazing? And I'm going to say yes, the ones I had were amazing. I'm going to give it 5 stars. 5 stars for it tastes amazing. Heaven. Holiday heaven. How about that? The next one is, are the servings reasonable and consistent? And how could they not be? They're all exactly the same size pieces of chocolate. In fact, several of them were literally the same because we had, what did we have? 4 hearts, 2 chocolate, 2 whites. So yes, unfortunately, I have to give it 5 for that because it is true. They were all consistent. They're reasonably, I could only eat one. So it's not like I could fill up on this whole entire box. So that's also a bonus to me. Otherwise, I'd be having 5,000 calories in one day. Does it stay on theme or get weird? I'm going to say that it was not on theme for Christmas. I can't give it 5 because this lady had a seashell. She's over here riding a horse. I don't know why we have an ear. They could have done bells. They could have done Christmas trees. So they really could have gone on theme. I cannot give it the whole thing. Between 1 and 5, man, I can only give it a 1. There was nothing Christmassy about any of these. Hearts are not Christmas. These are just regular shapes. I don't know why we have teardrops in a box of candy. 1. I can only give it 1. What would you give it? Tell me below. What would you give it? 1 to 5. 1 is identity crisis. And 5 is charming. Matches the season. I can only give it a 1. The next metric is, does it improve your mood? Does it bring you happiness or joy of some kind? And I'm going to go yes, because chocolate is literally known to raise your mood. I'm going to give it 5. And the last one is, would I reorder this? Next year, if I'm thinking about advent calendars and I'm thinking, what advent calendar do I want to get? Would I get this? I'm going to go with 4. I haven't eaten all the chocolates yet, so I could lower it or raise it based upon that. But I also know I love Godiva, and I know of the ones that I ate, they were delicious, and there's a whole lot more left that are delicious. So I am going to give it 4. Let's give it the total score. Godiva gets 4 total points for everything. It is currently in second to last place with the Zuru book, mini books coming in last place. So this comes right below that. Still in first place is Tatcha. Go watch those other videos. I have them all in a playlist for you, and you can decide which one you like the best. But also, if you're wanting to purchase this, I will have it linked below. Thank you. When you use my links, it helps to support my channel, and I earn a few cents. Have a Merry, Merry Christmas.